Without a doubt, a plant-based diet is healthier than normal standard diets, but the transition can be a challenge. Below is a list of the tips you can use to make the transition much easier. To begin with, 1. Take it easy. If you enjoy eating meat, jumping straight into a plant-based diet can be tricky. Simple swap a meal with a plant-based meal twice a week until full transition. This way you will like to enjoy the process a little more. 2. Add loads of green veg. Eat one large salad per day as green vegetables are quite healthy. If you are at your local Subway, swap out your greasy chicken with a bowl of salad. Set yourself a challenge to eat a salad a day and you will begin to feel and look healthy. 3. Swap the portions. When you're on a meat diet, you tend to have steak with everything else like vegetables. Make the change of having your leafy greens with meat as it lowers the number of calories you eating and you're not giving up your favorite foods. 4. Set goals. You're reading this article, which means you are ready for some big changes. Note down exactly what you want to achieve from this diet and why it's important you switch to a plant-based diet. It could you're not well or lacking energy. Write it down and put it somewhere you can see it every day. 5. Prepare. If you work a normal 9-to-5 job, then you are most likely going to be tempted to eat anything that comes to your attention. It's best to be prepared and carry ready-made snacks, fruits, nuts, or even have a full stomach. Think of it as carrying a healthy takeaway wherever you go. 6. Get the right gear. Having a deep fat fryer in the center of your kitchen is completely pointless, it'll just invite you to create unhealthy meals. As you'll be preparing a lot of veggies, it is important to have a sharp knife and a good cutting board. If you're going to blend veggies, it would be worth investing money into a good sturdy blender. 7. Add plenty of colors. It can be quite easy to add a variety of vegetables or fruits to your diet. They all come in different colors, and all have a multitude of nutritional benefits. For example, fruits and veggies that are orange contain vitamin C, while eating foods like eggplant help support a healthy immune system. Mix your colors as often as you like. Avoid going straight into a keto plant diet overnight, as for most it will take a lot of willpower to stay on course. If you fail, that is fine. Acknowledge why things went wrong, pick yourself up and start again. If possible, find like-minded people who share the same foods and experiences as you. You will eventually stay the course and benefit from a healthy plant-based keto diet. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates.